Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Occasionally, you may send a message to someone and then wish to delete it or delete it and replace it with another message. This is called recalling a message in Outlook. Outlook gives you this capability by using its Sent Items folder. This function only works, however, if the recipient of the email has not yet opened the message. Also, note that a recall attempt doesn't instantly delete the message from the recipient's inbox if they do not have automatic processing of meeting requests enabled for their Exchange email account. Instead, it tells them that you want to delete the message or delete it and replace it with another message. To attempt to recall a message in Outlook, open your Sent Items folder. In this folder, double-click the message to recall to open it in its own message window. Then click the Actions button in the Move button group on the Message tab of the ribbon. Then select the Recall This Message command from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Recall This Message dialog box that then opens, select either the Delete Unread Copies of this message or Delete Unread Copies and Replace with a New Message option button, depending on which type of recall you want to attempt. You can also check the Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient checkbox to learn the status of the recall attempt for each recipient. When ready, then click the OK button. If you chose to send another email to replace the current email, you must then create and send the replacement email too. You can then close the original message window by clicking the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.